In this video, I'm going to show you another quick way to check the total storage capacity on your iPhone. This method lets you see exactly how many gigabytes your iPhone has. Let's go ahead and do it step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap General. Now inside General, tap on About. Over here, you'll see several details about your iPhone like the model name, software version, and storage information. Look for the option called Capacity. This shows the total storage size of your iPhone, like 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, or whatever model you have. Right below that, you'll also see Available Storage, which tells you how much space is still free on your device. This is the easiest way to quickly check your iPhone's total storage capacity. Now, if you want to see which apps or files are taking up the most space, there's another method where you check storage inside the iPhone storage section. You can watch the full video above where I explain that method step by step.